What's going on, YouTube? Back here with another video. It has been a while. It has been a while. Haven't uploaded Live Cop in about, I don't know, like 4 weeks, dude. And be honest, man, it's been so bad. The drops have been so bad, waste of time. That's why I haven't uploaded them, but it's been so bad, dude. Supreme weeks have been so shit lately, dude. The drops, so bad, so bad. Don't even wake up anymore, bro. But today, no further introduction is needed, boys. Everybody that is Supreme Head knows what today is, and the one item that every fucking person wants every fucking season. They got the box LS, man, the sweatshirts, the bandana ones, the beanies. They're both coming out at the same time for once. I'm hoping that can help me, dude. I'm hoping. I'm going in thinking that everybody thinks that gray is gonna be the first to gone, or first to be gone, so nobody's gonna go for it. So me, I'm gonna go for gray, dude. Fuck that, I'm going for gray. I hope everybody stays away from gray because they get scared off that gray is the favorite color, just because it's not tonal, I guess. So I'm going for gray. Hopefully the lag on the website helps me out, dude. Because I've seen on the EU, dude, the EU, everybody was lagging like crazy. I remember a couple years ago, it was lagging like crazy like that too. So hopefully I can get the gray. I'm going for the gray. I'm going for on my phone too. Not gonna lie, my hands are cold, fingers cold and stiff. But I know where the gray loads up. The gray loads up right here. First section, very first sweater. In the sweatshirt section. So hopefully we can get it, baby. Hopefully we can get in the shop early too, dude. Like I said, ready on the phone. Got everything ready, baby. Copy and pasted. We're ready. Ready to refresh on sweatshirts. Got the nerd neck going around. You know, we've been playing some COD, so I'm ready. I'm used to the nerd neck. Comment down below what you guys went for. And at this point, what if you guys got anything, dude. But yeah, comment down below if you guys got anything, what you guys went for, or what you guys wanted to go for. But yeah, or also if you got them for the personal or not, dude. Me, you already know, dude. I don't want this shit. I'd much rather fucking buy something else than this fucking cotton sweatshirt for like $800 or some shit. Let's go. It's time. 50. I'm gonna refresh at 55. Let's go. Let's go, baby. We in? We in? Are we in? Are we in? Come on. Come on. Can we get through the lag? Let's go. Right there. Great. Come on, baby. Oh no. Oh no. I already fucked up. I removed it. It's over now. Fuck. I had it, bro. I removed on accident. Shit. Come on. It's smooth, bro. It's smooth. If that fuck up fucked me, bro, my brother would have got it by now. Let's go process. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go for a different color on the phone. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Medium. Great, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Come on. Didn't even screen record on my phone. I forgot to. Let's go. Oh, sirree. Let's go. Can't be stopped, son. Let's go. No way, dude. No way. Let's go, baby. Yes, sir. Gotta let the boys know, man. All right. No freaking way, dude. No freaking way. That was so easy. The gray sweatshirt, fuck the beanies. I didn't even try going for them shits after. Fuck them shits. What do I want the beanies for? Let's go, dude. Most hyped colorway. Can't be stopped. What I tell y'all, everybody's gonna be going for the other colors, bro. Thinking, oh shit, dude. Beanie still here? No way. No way. No way. No way. No way beanies are still here, bro. My friend is telling me he just got it too. Let's go, dude. They're all gone. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Fuck yeah, man. Alright, now I gotta take a nap, bro. I got a final in fucking 3 hours. I'm about to take a nap. I need to do homework too. I got a final. So, this video will be uploaded late. Obviously, you'll see this when the video comes out, but this video is gonna be uploaded later because gotta take a nap and do homework, bro. Come on, respect. But, oh my god, dude. As you can see still, on the screen, legit, bro. Screen is moving. See this? I'm moving the screen. Oh shit, it's not even there anymore. Moving the screen. This shit is legit, bro. You already know, man. It's the fucking mouse, bro. Oh shit, I fucking backpage, whatever. It's the mouse from Amazon, bro. $13 gaming mouse. This is what you need, baby. This is all the difference. All the mouse. Fuck them bots and all that shit. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, let me know if you guys got anything down below in the comment section. It's been a good day, baby. It's been a good day. And if you guys, finals week, good luck all your finals, man. Happy holidays. Happy late Thanksgiving by like 2 weeks. Just in case this is the last time I upload in a while too. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. But we'll see. We'll see if Supreme picks it up, dude, because in all honesty, you guys know by now too, dude, these weeks have been shit. Trash items. Those weights, garbage, the fucking, I don't even know what the fuck else come out, bro. I think the only thing I can remember is the weights. I'm just happy I got this shit, man. As always, that's it, man. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single view. Everybody that's come back after the drought, thank you. Peace, man. Peace out. Peace. See you later. Tune into the live streams on mixer.com/CodyGas. See ya.